are you friends? Today I am back with another information that is for how to start how to start managing personal finances. What are the first baby steps you should take to start doing management of personal finances? Today there are many people ask me usually that we do not save money, we do not know how to manage personal finances. We just as we got some income, we start meeting out our expenses. We have lot of credit card bills, lot of utility expenses. We are not able to manage finances. We are not able to meet the expenses. We are not able to save something for our rainy days. So let me tell you that for doing anything, you first need the conviction that you want to save some money. If you do not have your desire to save money, you don't have any desire to manage your finances, then you will always be in loss. So first I will tell you that there are three main points that you should keep in mind, which will help you out to motivate yourself for gaining the personal finances, to manage the personal finances. So first of all, the first point is set your goal. First set your goal, write down your goals on paper, that what you want to be, where you want to be in the next 5 years or in 10 years. Now when you have set your goal, take the possible steps, that what are the steps to reach that goal. When you get the steps, that what would be your expected return, like if today you have saving of $1,000, you want to be the millionaire, then you have to set your goals accordingly. But if you have $1,000 and you want to reach at $1 lakh, your plan would be separate. So first decide your goal. Majorly, first of all, decide that what is your age. Keeping the age in your mind, keeping the risk appetite in your mind, plan your goals. When you plan your goals, you will have the clear distinction that what expected return you would need to reach that goal. Second important thing is where to invest. For this, you have to see my different videos which are on the investment, and you can consult your financial planners who will help you out to get the financial investment ready for you. So you have to try where you want to invest. You have to think where you want to invest, where you want to go, and then plan accordingly. The third and the most important thing, and last but not the least, is the discipline. When you set your goal, when you plan your investment, where you want to invest, the third most important thing is discipline. The discipline is the way that you should discipline yourself, that you have to invest monthly, weekly, annually, half yearly, that this amount need to be locked and invested. These expenses need to be locked, and you would not expense out more than that. Like you will invest only $2,000 per year or per 6 months, as depending on your income, on your clothes. You will invest only $3,000 for a year in the fuel. So you have to discipline yourself in terms of expenses, in terms of savings. In the last, I just want to clarify one thing, that this is only an educational video. Your financial appetite, your financial ability, your financial risk should be calculated by your financial advisor, and you must think of yourself that what is good for you and what is bad for you. It's a general theory, and it's the information, it's a knowledge that has been parcel to you, it as a advice, and you should consult your financial and tax advisors who will help you out knowing your risk appetite and knowing your financial conditions. So it's basically a disclaimer, and I'm done for today. Your comment and your response will help me out to make such videos for you. Thank you.